Starting a vlog can be fun and rewarding. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Define your niche. 1. Choose a topic you're passionate about, e.g., travel, tech reviews, lifestyle, fitness. 2. Identify your target audience. 2. Plan your content. 1. Brainstorm video ideas and themes. 2. Create a content calendar to stay consistent. 3. Set up equipment. 1. Basic setup. A smartphone with a good camera. 2. Advanced setup. DSLR, mirrorless camera, tripod, external mic, and lighting. 3. Ensure good audio and lighting quality. 4. Choose a platform. 1. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other social media. 5. Film your first vlog. 1. Write a rough script or outline. 2. Be natural and authentic. 3. Use attention-grabbing intros and engaging content. 6. Edit your video. 1. Use software like CapCut, iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. 2. Add music, text, and transitions to enhance your video. 7. Create a YouTube channel, if needed. 1. Optimize your channel name and banner. 2. Write a compelling channel description. 8. Upload and optimize. 1. Use a catchy title and thumbnail. 2. Add keywords and tags. 3. Write an engaging video description. 9. Promote your vlog. 1. Share on social media platforms. 2. Collaborate with other vloggers. 10. Engage with your audience. 1. Respond to comments and feedback. 2. Ask viewers for suggestions. 11. Stay consistent. 1. Stick to a regular upload schedule. Tips for success. 1. Be authentic and relatable. 2. Focus on storytelling. 3. Keep improving your filming and editing skills. 4. Don't be discouraged by slow growth initially. What kind of vlog are you thinking about starting?